How to go live on TikTok without 1000 fans. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers that you might be interested in, as well as some amazing giveaways. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. Once you do that, go ahead to this profile page right here. Now, as you might know, TikTok does not allow you to go live unless you have 1000 followers. However, there's an easy workaround that we can use as a solution to get around that problem. And it goes like this. Once you are on this profile page right here, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then from this given list, click on settings and privacy. Once you are here, scroll down till you find a section that says support and about. And from there, click on report a problem. You will be redirected to this page right here, in which you want to scroll all the way down and click on submit a report option. And this page will open up, in which you will need to text the TikTok team and ask them to enable and allow the live feature on your account even though you don't have 1000 followers, and tell them that it's an essential feature for your audience. And once you do that, say for example you write this message: please allow the live feature on my account, something like this. Be more specific and explain to them your situation and how it will benefit your audience. And you can even include screenshots or videos from your account. And once you do that, click on submit to send the feedback, and after a while they will get back to you and enable the feature on your account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.